Hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
Now I'm beating you to it.
Yep. Well, we're gonna do a room review.
But not on our room today.
No, this is our
Companion room.
companion room.
That we got as a perk, like a comp.
Comp.
So we have some friends coming into town and we use the comp room, our companion room for one of our people. So it's different, but it's the same as what we've had before.
Right.
So we've had this style of room. It's I just said it.
It's
Terrace.
a terraced studio. Terrace studio.
Which basically means it has a terrace that you can go out on, which we're going to take you on.
Right.
But in reality, I really, really like the layout of these rooms, remember?
Yeah, you do.
Because of the break in between the bedroom, and I don't know, there's just a little bit of difference. So let's go through it. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're right here in the entryway. As you come in, this is what you'll see, and then right off to the left is the bathroom. You
Has
go
a
in.
good, nice soaking tub. Has jacuzzis or spa?
Yeah, it's a jacuzzi
Yeah.
tub.
It does give you lots of bubbles.
And then into the shower. It's a big area for the shower. Shower head. And then the bathroom with the famous face.
So privacy, but big enough to where if you wanted multiples, you could.
Right. Double vanity sink
We have that too.
with a makeup mirror and 2 double mirrors. And artwork on the wall.
They're really good with the artwork.
Yeah. And then turn in from the left, from the
Entryway
bathroom.
and bathroom.
You got a big wall mirror right here.
We don't have that in ours. I missed that.
And then TV.
This is considered the living
Yeah,
space.
living space. This is like a 50-inch TV, maybe a 65. But you got a chair with a little table and lamp, and then a sectional.
And that
More artwork.
That wall mural is in all the rooms, I believe.
Yeah, it is in all the rooms. And then a little office desk area. And then to the right of that, be the little bar area, which again, remember people, unless you want to get charged a bunch of money, do
Don't
not
touch
even
that.
pick it up, because it is weighted
Yep.
and they will charge you.
They have been very generous in telling us that too. Like,
And they will charge you for anything up there as well, because it's all weighted. And then you got your little
bar area.
bar area, and it does have a second refrigerator for your personal use. And this is the wall she was talking about. She likes that splits the living room office area to the bedroom.
Yeah. And I mean, ours is just bigger, but dead space bigger. I
Right.
think that's the deal.
Right.
King size bed.
Another little TV right there. That's probably a 40-inch right there.
Yeah. Closet space.
And
I
closet.
love these closets. I want to do this with my closets.
Because it's got an automatic light in there.
I love it. And then over there you have your safe.
Safe and shelf area.
Yep.
The ironing board.
I'm gonna let you go out here by yourself to put on my sunglasses.
Okay.
But this is your terrace, people.
And this is on the south side of the hotel on the Boulevard Tower. This is the Boulevard Tower. So you got a little couch right there. And then on the other side, you have a little chair. But this is the view from the Boulevard Tower on the south side. You got that. And then down, you got the pool area. And you actually can see that was the Chelsea pool, and you can actually see the Boulevard pool, a little bit of the Boulevard pool right there. And that's your view. If you're looking out the doorway, that's your view right there.
It's a great view to wake up to. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, yeah, I would miss the fountains, but I love the Vegas skylines here. You have a lot of mountain tree. Is that what it's called? Mountain tree?
Mountains.
Mountains. It's beautiful. Like there's nothing wrong with this view at all. So I'm glad we could get him a room like this.
Yeah.
And he'll be able to enjoy it for 3 nights.
Right.
And life will be good. But we wanted to do an updated room review because, again, we've never stayed on this side. We've never...
I thought we had, but we haven't.
No. We've stayed up front on Strip View and we've stayed on Fountain View, but we've never been over here. So I just kind of want to give you guys another outtake of the Cosmo, looking to the south and seeing that there's still beautiful scenery to be enjoyed. Like, I would love this too because you could sit right there and watch planes take off all day long. But it would be a little hot because that sun's beating down on that pretty good.
Right.
So, yeah, this is just, again, a perk of being a platinum member is you get lots of benefits. And this is my comp room, and I hope he enjoys it.
Yeah, I'm sure he will.
We've got the fridge loaded for him from some good stuff.
Yep, he'll be surprised and happy that he's got a fridge full of beer.
Right. And you know, I guess I would say that it's going to be a good weekend.
It's going to be a great weekend.
So, there you have it.
So please like,
share,
subscribe,
and hit the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
For future notifications.
And we'll be back.